Justice A.B. Singh, Dr. M.S. Sahu, Dr. Mamta Binani, Ms. Haripriya Padmanabhan, Akant Mittal, ladies and gentlemen. In this new world of technology and artificial intelligence, which allows for self-publishing and publishing on blogs, etc., the question is there still a role left for publishers? Maybe not for the entire publishing industry, but for us here at EBC, as we celebrate 75 years of being around, what we have learned is to understand what the legal profession requires and what our role can be in fulfillment of that requirement. To us, we believe that our role is to bridge the gap between legal information and knowledge and those who consume that legal information and knowledge. To be effective in our role, it is important that the materials or content that we produce is authentic, accurate, and reliable. Also, we have continued to innovate over the years to keep ourselves relevant. In 1969, when Mr. Suren Malik graduated from the Delhi University, having studied by the newly introduced case method, he realized that there was a need for faster reporting of Supreme Court judgments. Thus came about the innovation of Supreme Court cases. As all of you are aware, that there can be no second edition of a law report, and it must be got right the first time. Prompt, accurate, and complete has been our philosophy, which we have adhered to since then, and we understand and recognize our responsibility that the honorable judges and the bar when they rely on Supreme Court cases. As soon as publishing shifted to desktop publishing, we at EBC adopted it and shifted our publishing from hand-composed type to software-designed typeset to digital printing, and the latest innovation in this field, print on demand, has gotten to the printing industry much before laser printers printed aircraft parts and human hearts. EBC was amongst the first to introduce a legal research database on CD-ROM in 1996, which was less than 650 MB then, and now the SCC Online Web Edition has over 10 terabytes of data, over 4.1 million documents covering 250 plus jurisdictions. Even though we believe that the printed book is here to stay, yet for the tech savvy, EBC's EBC Reader platform is ready and has over 350 books, which we add ebooks to it every day. The SCC Online blog has, which we report the happenings in courts, law schools, and the like, now has over 1 million views and over 4.5 lakh visitors every month. To bridge the gap between what is being taught in law schools and what are the skills and knowledge required to be a successful legal professional, EBC has launched its latest innovation, EBC Learning. Akant Mittal's book on IBC is the 10th book in EBC's list of titles on corporate and commercial laws. These titles undergo the highest level of evaluation by a specialist editor, Mr. Murli Neelkantan, an industry veteran who has been a senior equity partner at UK and US and Indian law firms, Cipla's first global general counsel, and served on the board of companies as an independent director. Once approved by AIM, they are edited and reviewed rigorously by EBC's in-house team before being published. Akant's work has won accolades and high praise from Justice Suryakant, Dr. Sahu, and Professor Ranbir Singh. The Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code is such an important piece of legislation for India's economic growth, and especially if India wants to reach a goal of a $5 trillion global dollar economy. I'm sure this book will help bridge the gap in the list of authoritative texts available on the subject. Even though Nilofer is going to offer a formal vote of thanks, I want to use this opportunity to thank her and her team for doing this fantastic job in bringing out the book. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And a warm welcome to all of you this Saturday afternoon.